The suitability of construction contract clauses depends greatly on the industry, the complexity of the project, and how risks are shared between the client and the contractor. Different sectors like manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, or infrastructure have their own norms and expectations, so the contract needs to reflect those realities. Similarly, when a project is more complex or involves advanced technology, the contract must be clearer and more detailed to avoid confusion later. Well defined clauses help protect the client, keep cost under control, and make sure everyone follows the rules. Clear language about the project scope, payment terms, timelines, delays, and how disputes will be resolved creates transparency for all parties. When these provisions are unambiguous and balanced, they reduce misunderstandings, prevent unnecessary claims, and supports overall smoother project execution.